Hey, the house. Good morning. Received this the other day. Nice way of planting and sending seedlings. It's a Moringa tree. So I'm going to try growing this. So it came yesterday through the Japanese post, quite interesting. And also planting papaya seeds. And these are some hot chili seeds. So we're going to plant those, and also didn't get round to it, Kia and quinoa. I think that's how you say it. So we're going to do those today. And just over here, Moringa, blueberry and raspberry. And we're going to put those out on the hugel culture today. Warm day, but it's showery. That's okay. Great lot of rain last night, so the place is looking really lush, so that's good. So have you stayed? Instagram @HaveYouStayed. Bye bye. Out.